All right, today we're going to be doing the front post double crochet. So we're going to start with a starting row of 10 double crochets. And the reason why you need this is because it needs to go around the post of your double crochet from the previous row. So this is what we're talking about when we're talking about a post, is this long section here. That's what we're going to be working into for both the front post double crochet and the back post double crochet. But today we're just going to be doing the front post. So let's start by yarning over and then go around the back of the post at the bottom, okay? Then yarn over, pull through. You have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Okay, and you have your first front post double crochet done. Let's try that again. Yarn over, go around the back, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. We'll do that one more time for you here. Go through here, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops. It's pretty easy. Let's try that one more time. And there you have it. That is your front post double crochet. This is what it looks like when you're done. As you can see, it has a bit more of a raised texture than your normal double crochet. Back post double crochet is something very similar, and we'll get to that in the next lesson. Thanks for watching. Bye.